Assalamu alaikum, sir. My name is MD Khaidur Rahman Milu, and my ID is 18365541. So, our DLD project name is Fire Security Alarm using logic gates. So, here are the components we are using on logic gates. So, heat sensor, smoke sensor, NAND gate, AND gate, OR gate, green light or probe, red light or probe. So if we come to the now we are taking a look at the truth table. So first of all, a logic gate is an idealized model of computation or physical electronic device implementation, a Boolean algebra, a logical operation performed on one or more binary inputs that produces a single binary output. A logic gate is a device that acts as a building block for digital circuits. They perform basic logical functions that are fundamental to digital circuits. So the OR gates gets its name from that it behaves after the fashion of the logical inclusive, or the output is true if either or both of the inputs are true. If both inputs are false, then the output is false. So if we take a look at the truth table of OR gate, here is our OR gate, and here is our NAND gate. So in other words, we can say that for the output to be 1, at least one input must be 1, as we can see that one input at least 1. So if we look at the truth table of OR gate for our projects, then we can see A and B is 0 0, then only 0, and the rest of the table are 1. And here is another truth table of NAND gate for our projects. So NAND gates operates as an AND gate following by a NOT gate. The output is false if both inputs are true, and otherwise the output is true. So you can see here is our example of that. So next is our circuit truth table. So here is our circuit truth table. Here is X is red probe and Y is green probe. A is heat sensor and B is smoke sensor. As there are only two switches, each with two possible states, open or closed, defining a logic 0 as being when the switch is open and a logic 1 when the switch is closed. There are then 4 different ways or combinations of arranging the two switches together as shown. So when if we took a look at this, so when A and B both are open, here is A and B both are open, then red probe is open and green probe is closed. In second row we can see that A and B both are closed and both red and green probe is also closed. In third row, as we can see that A is closed and B is open. In this case, both red and green probe closed. In final row, when A and both are closed, then red probe is closed and green probe is also opened. Now we come to the circuit part. So this is most important part, like our circuit design. So here we can see that A is heat sensor, B is smoke sensor. Here we are adding these two sensors with two gates. One is NAND gate and another is OR gate, and we have added green probe to NAND gate. So this is the NAND gate. We have added green probe to the NAND gate, and red probe to OR gate. So this is our total circuit designs of our fire security alarm projects. Now if we gonna run this circuit. So we need to run the circuit. So here is we are running the circuit. So it's like on now. We can do the task following. So here if we take a look at our truth table, here both A and B are like 0 0. So as our circuit designs, we have taken both A and B as 0 0. So what will gonna happen in this case? So here heat sensor and smoke is 0. That means heat sensor hasn't been activated yet. So green light will pop up. So here is the green light. So the green light will pop up. So what does that mean? This means we are safe. We don't have any problem in these situations. Now if we come to the truth table again, as we can see, as first heat sensor A, here is the first heat sensor A is 0, and smoke sensor both smoke sensor B is also 0. So both are both A and B is 0. Then X which is danger will be off, and Y is and Y is green probe, which is Y. That means it turns on, like, so green light will be turns on. That means we are safe at the point. Now if we come to the second, like second one. So what we will do, A is 0, B is 1. So we will just put B is 1. What we can see over here, what we can see over here, the heat sensor is off, but smoke sensor heat sensor is off, but the smoke sensor is like on. So smoke sensor will both green and in this situation both green light and red light turned on. When green light and red light turn on, we need to check if there are any problem happen to our system or not. Then we come to the truth table again, and what we can see at second solution, both X and Y is turned on. Here is both, and X and Y is turned on. So both X and Y is turned on. Green light is on, which means I am still at the safe point. Possibility of danger can be happened, so we need to check if there are any issues with heat or smoke sensor. So this is also like for the third one. If we put A is 1 and B is 0, so this is the similar case. So the summary of this truth table is there are some possibilities of danger, it can be happen. So we need to check whether there are any issues with heat sensor or smoke sensor or not. So if we come to the truth table again, if we check at the last one, what is that, heat sensor is on, and heat sensor is on and smoke sensor is on. So what will happen? Now if we come to the circuit, we will just put P is also on. So what will happen? Red light will be on and green light is totally off, which means I am completely at danger zone, and we need to take precautions in these situations to stay safe. So yeah, that's it for our projects. Thank you so much for taking a look at my presentations and giving me opportunities to share my DLD fire security alarm using logic gates projects with you. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum, sir. Have a very good day.